Proceed. So what is thermodynamics? So thermodynamics is it is the branch of science which deals with energy transfer. Or you can say this thermodynamics is defined as thermo plus dynamics. So thermo means heat. So dynamics means transfer. So heat means one form of. So in a single line, so you can define the branch of science which deals with energy transfer. Is known as thermodynamics. So now we will move to thermodynamic system. So this is the system. So what is system? So it is defined as the quantity of matter in space. Defined as quantity of matter in space upon which we will analyze and give solution, known as thermodynamic system. So this is known as thermodynamic system. External to the system is known as surrounding. And this is the imaginary layer which is known as boundary layer. So now the system, surrounding and boundary layer, all combination is known as universe. So now we classify the systems. The systems are three kinds: closed system, open system, and third is isolated. So based on mass and energy, we can classify the system three kinds: closed system, open system, isolated. Then what is closed system? So closed system means mass fixed, mass constant, but energy may transfer. So suppose this fan. So this fan is a closed system. Why? Because its mass always fixed. So when it is running or at rest, if you measure, the mass of the system remains constant. So when you are putting switch on this, you are transferring the energy. Which energy? Electrical energy transferred to mechanical energy. So this running fan is this space is known as closed system. Then next is open system. Open system means both mass and energy. Both mass and energy can change, known as open system. So for example, turbine. So turbine, what is function of turbine? It converts mechanical energy to electrical energy. So energy conversion means energy transfer. Whatever mass, whatever enters, then comes out. So the cyclic turbine is an example of open system. Or you can say